If you're trying to figure out which tool is better for content creation, you've probably come across Jasper and ContentBot. Both claim to be the best for generating high quality content, but how do they stack up against each other? I've tried both, and I'll walk you through the strengths and weaknesses of each so you know which one suits your needs best. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal a better alternative for content creators like you, and trust me, you don't want to miss that. Let's start with Jasper. This tool is a well known name in the AI content creation world. It's packed with features like long form content generation, marketing copy, blog posts, and even social media content. It's ideal for those looking to produce a wide variety of content quickly. Jasper shines with its templates and workflow options, making it easy to get started, but it also offers a lot of customization to suit more experienced users. That said, its pricing is a bit steep, especially if you're a solo content creator or a small business trying to keep costs down. Next, let's dive into ContentBot. This tool offers a slightly different approach. It's more affordable than Jasper, with a solid selection of features like blog post creation, social media posts, and even email copywriting. ContentBot is a great choice for anyone just getting into AI writing because it's easy to use and has a much more budget-friendly pricing model. However, it doesn't have the same level of flexibility or customization that Jasper offers, and if you're looking for advanced content strategies, you might find it a bit limiting. Now, onto the user experience. Jasper has a clean and intuitive interface, making it easy to navigate, but there can be a learning curve, especially if you're new to AI writing tools. ContentBot, on the other hand, is very beginner-friendly. It's straightforward and simple, but it doesn't offer the depth of features that Jasper does. That's something to keep in mind if you plan on scaling your content creation efforts or need more advanced tools. The fourth thing we need to consider is the content quality. Both platforms do a great job generating content, but Jasper's AI tends to provide more polished, high-quality results, especially for longer pieces. If you're looking to write detailed blog posts or in-depth articles, Jasper is your best bet. ContentBot is good for short-form content, like social media posts or quick email copy, but it's not as strong when it comes to more complex writing. The fifth point I want to address is the integrations. Jasper integrates with a wide variety of tools like Surfer SEO and Copyscape, which can really elevate your content creation game. ContentBot, while it does offer some integrations, doesn't have quite the same range. If you're already using tools like Grammarly or SEO tools in your workflow, Jasper's ability to connect with them will definitely save you time and effort. So, which one is more suitable for content creation? Well, both are solid options depending on what you're looking for. If you need an all-around powerhouse with advanced features and scalability, Jasper is the better choice. However, if you're just starting out or want something more affordable for quick and simple content creation, ContentBot may be your best fit. But here's the thing. After trying both, I can confidently say that there's a better alternative out there, one that combines the best features of both Jasper and ContentBot without the drawbacks. If you want to take your content creation to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the tool I've been using. You can try it for free by clicking the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, while Jasper and ContentBot are great tools in their own right, there's a more powerful option for those serious about content creation. Don't miss out on that free trial.